Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to partition a hard drive on a Mac. I will show you how to partition a hard drive on a Mac step by step. Whether you want to install another macOS version, separate your files, or organize storage better, partitioning can help a lot. And don't worry, this tutorial is beginner friendly and works on most MacBooks and iMacs running macOS. First, let's understand what is partitioning. Partitioning is a hard drive means dividing one storage drive into separate sections. Each section works almost like a different drive on your Mac. For example, one partition for work files, another for personal data, or one partition for installing another operating system. Just remember, modifying partitions can risk data loss, so always back up important files first. Let's do partitioning. Step 1. Open disk utility. Alright. First click the spotlight search, press command plus space. Now search here disk utility. You can see here disk utility. Open it. Once disk utility is open, you will see all the drives connected to your Mac here. Now step 2. Make sure you select the actual drive name, not just the volume underneath. These are the actual file drives. Select any one of them. Now choose the top level drive for partitioning. Now step 3. After selecting the drive, click the partition button at the top. Here you can see a partition button. Click on this. A new window will appear showing the current storage layout. You can see here the plus button to add a new partition. As you can see, you can click on add volume or add partition. Click on add partition. Now you drag the partition size manually here, as you can see, or type the exact storage type here. You can see here. 4th step, name and format the partition. Give your partition a name. As you can see here, you can give it a name. New partition. For example, work, backup, games, macOS test. Okay, then choose the format here. The most modern macOS select APFS. This is auto selected. This is the most modern macOS format. If you need compatibility with other system or external drives, you can choose macOS extended journal. As you can see here, macOS extended journal here. You can select this. If you can select this, and after this click on apply here. Now step 5, wait for the process to complete. Your Mac will now create the partition. This may take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on the drive size and available storage. Once completed, click on done, and that's it. Your new partition will now appear Finder like a separate drive. Important tips for this video. Here are the few important things to remember. Always keep a backup before partitioning. Second, don't interrupt the process while it's running. Third, APFS works best for SSDs and modern macOS versions. Fourth, if the partition button is grayed out, you may need to free up storage first. Also, if you are using an external hard drive, the same method works there too. So that's how you can partition a hard drive on a Mac easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more MacBook tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.